Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This stitch is yet another free flowing stitch which comes under the category of up and down stitch. Up and down stitch we call it because we are jumping a stitch in between, like it will be a combination of half double crochet and slip stitch, double crochet and single crochet, treble crochet and half double crochet, and so on and so forth. This particular swatch I have made with treble and half double crochets. I have not found any particular name for this, so I have categorized it under up and down. Up and down stitches are generally made by skipping a stitch in between and making a combo of the previous one and the next one. Like if you have HTC double crochet and treble crochet, you skip double crochet, you have HTC and treble crochet combo. It will be a double crochet and a double treble combo, and you can try out with the treble and SC also and find out how the pattern works. So to make this, I'm going to show you with Hobby Store Daffodil Yellow Aran 100% premium acrylic anti-pill yarn with medium weight 4 and color 2050. We call this yarn anti-pill because it doesn't split and it is more rounded than the normal yarn, and it is very comfortable to work with. So any anti-pill yarn, if you see their characteristics, you can find them. You please observe whenever you buy yarns which quote that they're anti-pill, you can take it and feel it in your hand and find out. Okay, let me make the definite number of chains. We start with even number of chains. I'll make even number of chains and get back to you. I have made 12 chains. I need even number of stitches. I stand corrected, not even number of chains. So we begin with odd number of chains. So I make one more. And in the second chain from the hook, I'm going to make a half double crochet. And then yarn over twice. I'm going to do a treble in the next. And I use my favorite hook to crochet all my projects. That is my Clover Amor or Clover Soft Touch. One of these I use, and they are very comfortable and they make my work very fast. They speeden up my work. So I always use these hooks. So again alternating treble, so I'll show you what happens when you use two different stitches for up and down and how the taller stitch makes a textured effect. See, we use even number of stitches because we begin with HTC and we want to end it with a treble. That is why we use even number of stitches. If we use odd number of stitches, we will be beginning with HTC and ending with HTC. Then in row 2s there will be a change. Sorry, I have done two treble together here. Yeah, so I've done a treble, now half double. So this happens when you unconsciously work your stitches. So you should check on and off. So I'm placing my half double in the penultimate chain, and I'm ending with a treble crochet in the last stitch. So that is why you take even number of stitches or odd number of stitches as per the pattern that it requires, how you want to end the stitches and how you want to begin row after row. So if you use that even number of stitches, this will become a 1 row repeat. If you use odd number of stitches, it will become a 2 row repeat. Okay, now I have ended with a treble. So you chain 1, turn your work and make always you will be beginning your rows with half double and proceeding. You're going to work half double on treble and treble on half double. So when you work the stitch in the round, your trebles will pop out on one direction only. Yeah, I'm going to place a half double on the treble and a treble on half double. So continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end of this row. So I've placed my treble in the last stitch here. Again chain 1 and turn. It's a 1 row repeat. Start with a half double crochet in the very first stitch, then treble on half double and continue in this manner. So once you continue in this manner, you will have a reversible pattern. Both the sides will look similar. For example, you see here alternate rows the trebles are popping out to make a texture. Similarly here too, in alternate rows the trebles are popping out. So and this is in the series of up and down stitches. You can give it a try with treble and SC also and find out how much more the treble pops out. So it all works on the basis of the different heights that we have in the stitches. So this is how it is worked: half double, treble, half double, treble. Continue the pattern till the end, and when you take again even number of stitches, you end with the treble. That is, you end with the other. If you take odd number of stitches, you will end with the stitch that you began with. That is the only difference. So hope you enjoyed this video, friends. This is how the pattern will look. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you are notified of any further videos that we upload. Have a great day, friends. Bye for now.